What's up, guys? Today I'm thinking about doing something different. So I got to thinking. I've made a Mexican burger. I've made a microwavable turkey burger, believe it or not. That was actually pretty decent. I've got some ground chicken, some veggies, and I'm thinking, what can I make? Southwest chicken burger. Why not? Let's give it a shot here on Cook. Don't be lazy. For the Southwest chicken burger, we need to dice up some veggies. Red pepper, yellow pepper, some red onion. Get a bowl, an egg, and we just want the white of one egg. Why are we doing just the white? Well, this is technically a keto friendly dish. So we're just going to use the white. We also need some ground chicken. We're going to take some of the peppers, some of the onion. We're going to mix this in. Actually, let me wash my hands real quick because I forgot to add a little seasoning. So let me wash my hands. Alright. So we need some chili powder. Very important that we wash our hands since we're dealing with raw chicken. We don't want to cross-contaminate anything. So we're going to mix this in. And we're going to form some patties. So take a handful. You don't want thick patties because we're going to cook this. And you want it to cook evenly. You start making a very thick patty. The outside's going to be cooked, the inside's going to be raw. 1/4 inch thick or so. Set that off to the side on a plate. And keep forming your patties. Alright, chicken patties on a plate. And into the fridge. For how long? We want those bad boys in there for about 20 minutes minimum. The reason being, if we go straight to the stove, those chicken patties are going to disintegrate and fall apart. We don't want that. Once we refrigerate them, it'll kind of hold itself together, and that's what we're looking for so that the patty stays together when we cook it. I got to thinking, I don't want to do a burger now that I see all these beautiful colors over here. So I'm thinking I'm going to change it up a little bit. Instead of a burger, I'm going to use that chicken patty over an avocado salad. So let's get started on that salad. This avocado salad is going to be fresh and simple. Dice up an avocado, skin a cucumber, and then dice it up. What we want to do then is take a bowl, put our ingredients into the bowl, and remember those bell peppers from earlier? We're going to use some of that. Some onion, some bell pepper, red and yellow. And I'm going to take a lemon, a lime actually. We're going to squeeze the juice. Get all that juice. We're going to go back to our chili powder. A little bit of salt. As far as the salt and chili powder, it's to taste. We're going to toss the salad. That's probably the first time I'll ever be excited to hear toss the salad. Give it a good tossing. Now that you're done tossing the salad, grab a pan, put your stove on roughly medium, which is about a 6. Grab your chicken patties. I'm going to spray the pan with some olive oil. Alright, where is... Once this is hot enough, take a chicken patty, we're going to let this fry about 4 to 5 minutes per side. I say 4 to 5 minutes because it's going to vary depending on thickness. So about the 4-minute mark, I'm going to take a look into it before I flip it. Alright, about 4 minutes later. We don't want to be flipping these constantly and moving them. Just let them sit and let them cook for that 4 minutes. Alright, how am I going to lift this guy up? There we go. Oh, that's a beauty right there. Now's a good time to salt it. I'm going to let this side fry up for about 4 to 5 minutes as well. So while we're waiting for the 4 to 5 minutes to pass while this side cooks, we got to pick out a cheese. I'm going to pick a pepper jack cheese. Put some cheese on here. Let that melt. So I'm just going to let the cheese melt for about a minute, and then it's time to plate up. The original idea was to make a Southwest chicken burger. But as I started putting this together, I wasn't feeling the bread. I was feeling the colors, and I decided to change it up a bit. That's what happens when you cook on the fly and you cook with a little love. You end up with something like this. I'm going to call this a Southwest chicken patty over an avocado salad. I can't wait to dig my teeth into this. So until next week, cook! Don't be lazy.